Welcome back. How are you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you this spray mop by Green Direct. As you can see on the box, this is how it looks like, the spray mop. It says present it to your beloved ones, make your housework much easier. Not really a catchy phrase, but anyway, this is a really good spray mop to replace the old ones where you have to squeeze the mop manually to take the water out and start using it. Instead, this one has like a built-in container, as you can see here, where you can put water and then just squeeze the top over here. There's like a lever, you just squeeze it and the water is gonna come out over here and you can just sweep the floor easily. So let's go ahead and open this. It's open on the bottom. So here we go. It actually doesn't come with instruction manuals, which I would prefer to come with it because I mean, you never know, like some people doesn't know how to use some stuff, but in my opinion this one is pretty self-explanatory. You just connect all the parts. So let's go ahead and connect this, as you can see here. Just insert it until you hear the click. There we go. And over here, this one's going to go with this one. Is it? Hold on. Oh, never mind, this one. On the bottom over here. Okay. Also make sure that there's like a green, there's like a green piece over here sticking out. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Make sure that it coincides with this hole over here. So let's just stick it in. Then keep pushing it until you hear the click. Actually no, there's no click. Okay, just push it in and make sure that it doesn't come off easily when you pull on it. And then at the end, here comes the mop. Over here, it has a Velcro pads over here, which will stick the. Let's put it now. Here you have the mop pad, so just stick it in here with the Velcro. I believe you can buy if it ever gets dirty, you can buy these pads in the store. I'm not sure where. I gotta look it up. So let's stick this in. Okay, there we go. There's the click. Okay, so now let's. Oh, you can see here the hole right there. This is where the water will come out. And what's really nice about the mop that it's you can move this actually 360 directional, like it can go around like that and up and down. So now on the top you can see here you have the lever that will trigger the spray, and you have a hook so you can store it easily when you're not using it. So let's go ahead and put water in it. Okay, so now we have water here. I'm just gonna twist it. Okay, and now we're gonna put it back on the mop. As you can see here. Make sure that it's inserted firmly. Now let's try if it sprays water. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like water coming out when I. Oh, you can see it right there. I don't know if you can adjust like how wide or how narrow the water's coming out. But anyway, You just spray this on the floor. Whatever surface you're gonna clean, just spray water in it, and then sweep it, and then hopefully it's clean. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'm gonna leave the product link on the description below where you can get it from. And if you haven't done so, follow all my other accounts to stay tuned. And as always, I see you in the next video.